The Volt was the first of its kind when it hit the market in 2010, and it has been at the top of the pack ever since. With a class-demolishing 53 miles of electric-only range, it's a plug-in hybrid that can be driven like an EV much of the time. Boy, racers may scoff, but for the planet-aware driver who has an occasional long trip on the docket, the Volt is a perfect fit. That doesn't mean that it's without compromises. The interior is plastic-tastic, and we suspect the rear seat was adapted from a medieval torture device. But the Volt is not just a good hybrid, it's a good car. What's new for 2017? The Volt is largely unchanged for 2017, with just 3 additions to the available equipment list. A teen driving safety feature, standard on all models, is designed to encourage safer driving behaviors in young drivers. It allows parents to set a speed warning, keep the radio muted until their front seat belts are buckled, and prevent teens from disabling traction and stability control. Adaptive cruise control and automated emergency braking are options in the top Premier trim level. A new, limited availability exterior color, citron green metallic, joint siren red tint kit and kinetic blue metallic on the list of extra cost paint colors. Trims and options we choose. The base Volt, at $34,095, is already comprehensively equipped and comes with this car's most important standard feature, 53 miles of guilt-free driving. The Premier trim adds a better audio system, wireless charging for phones and other devices, and leather seats, among other features, but also adds more than $4,000 to the bottom line, so we'd skip it. Standard features in the base LT include MyLink infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2 USB ports, and built-in 4G LTE and Wi-Fi connectivity. Remote keyless entry with push-button start. Single-zone automatic climate control. For options, we'd go with the leather seats, $900, which requires that you also purchase the comfort package, $460, with its heated front seats, steering wheel, and side view mirrors. Those packages bring the total cost of our Volt to $35,455. The Volt can qualify buyers for up to $7,500 in tax credits, not included in our calculations above, a salve for the stain of an otherwise high price. The Volt's powertrain was thoroughly re-engineered for 2016, and we're enjoying the benefits. Among them, greatly increased electric range, more power, and improved efficiency. The Volt's powertrain uses a large battery, 2 electric motors, and a gasoline engine to deliver quick, relatively powerful acceleration and impressive fuel economy. The Volt's default power delivery mode is to propel itself with electricity until its battery is depleted, at which time its gasoline engine kicks in, as in a conventional hybrid, to both recharge the battery and send torque to the wheels. The Volt is impressively quiet on the road. There's almost no noise from the powertrain during electric-only operation, apart from a slight whir from the electric motors. The 1.5-liter gas engine, once engaged, is usually so quiet that it's easy to miss the transition from fully electric to gasoline-powered operation. The system is so seamless that it's impossible to detect when the gas engine is connected to the driven wheels. However, the Volt's powertrain does have one idiosyncrasy, because the gasoline engine is both charging up the battery and powering the pair of electric motors connected to the front wheels. The engine's RPM and the sounds emanating from under the hood don't always match the driver's input to the throttle. The Volt offers 4 driving modes: normal, sport, mountain, and hold. In normal mode, the Volt uses battery power until the battery is depleted, then fires up the gas engine. Sport mode uses the same formula but alters throttle tuning for more aggressive response. Mountain mode, designed to be deployed in advance of a prolonged incline, preserves battery power or aggressively charges the battery with the gas engine if it's below the elevated threshold for use during the climb. Hold mode retains battery charge until the driver elects to use it, allowing the car to rely on the internal combustion engine during a highway commute and switching to the battery pack in a city center, for instance.